Beyond the hype, architecting real-world applications with GPT-5's reasoning engine. The release of GPT-5 marks a fundamental shift from probabilistic text generation to genuine advanced reasoning.
For CTOs and software architects, this isn't just an API upgrade, it's a paradigm change demanding new design patterns. Our latest deep dive guide explores the architectural blueprints for this new era, covering
RAG versus native reasoning patterns. Practical Python code for building AI agents. Real-world case studies in fintech and self-healing systems. Strategic recommendations for enterprise adoption.
how is your team preparing to move beyond simple LLM integrations and truly architect for intelligence?
Next Techie, exploring the edge of innovation.